I have OPPO F7. Let me show you how to reset here apps and apps data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to choose here the additional settings. Select here the backup and reset and choose here factory data reset. So here let me choose erase all app data and deletable apps. So let's choose the second option right here. And if you would like to accomplish that operation, you need to tap erase data twice, and now the device is erasing all app and app data. So let's wait until the process will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.